Hey guys, so previously we have done 1-13, we're going to do 1-14. In this scenario, it's going to be powers with integer bases. So, I'm very sorry about the previous video on part 3. I didn't give it a full explanation. So, the link in the description for the previous video, I put as an asterisk on it, so I hope you'll understand. Anyway, enough chit chat. Powers with integer bases. Here we go! Let's learn with the example. Evaluate 3 to the power of 3. An exponent tells you how many times its base is used as a factor. For example, for a base of 3, 3 to the power of 2 is 9 because 3 times 3. 3 to the power of 3 is just 27 times, because it's 3 times 3 times 3, and then so on and so forth. And then you have these. So it'll just be 27. And just for the record, exponents are used to write repeated multiplication. So, let's get to the real deal now. Let's evaluate 4 to the power of 2. And first things to know, it's not 4 times 2 because it's not multiplication, okay? So, bear with me. Let's try it. 4 to the power of 2 equals to 4 times 4. So, it'll just be like 16 right here, just rudimentary math. So, I'm going to say that is 16. Cool Espanol, right? Let's not get sidetracked. Let's check if it's correct or erroneous, and let's do it like men. Yay-ha! Well, I know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 2. Auf Wiedersehen! Okay guys, so this is our second part, which means it's our interim. So sorry about the question because when I came to like 56, it was the same question, so I didn't want to do the same question again. So yeah, here we go. So anyway, enough chit chat. Let's solve for y. 10 to the power of y equals to 10,000. How do we get y? Now, many of you keep asking, like, what if we did this in logarithms, and will it actually work? So what I've done here is 3 methods. I'm going to explain each of them. The logarithm of 10,000 equals to 4, because if we know that log of b to the power of x equals y, then in index form we know that b to the power of y equals x. And we did that in algebra 2 if you have seen my previous videos in the past, okay? So let's not get sidetracked now, okay? Moving on. It's just going to be the same thing as the second method, except we're going to use index form. So 10 to the power of y equals to 10 to the power of 4. And then we just do the math, and then y equals 4. Just take out the 10. Just simple. Okay, let's not get sidetracked. Moving on to the final method, if you want to do it. 10 to the power of 1 equals to 10. 10 to the power of 2 equals to 10 times 10, which is equal to 100. And then 10 to the power of 3 equals to 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1,000. Then 10 to the power of 4, which is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, or you can just do 100 times 100. Either way, you'll just get 10,000. So we can prove that y is equal to 4 due to these steps I just followed. So it may discombobulate you, but we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go! Yay-ha! Well, I know it worked! That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 3. Au revoir! Okay, y'all, so this is the third part. I didn't give a full brief explanation on our new thing, how to do this with logarithms, so let's get to it. We're going to solve for d. 391 to the power of d equals to 391. We're asked to solve for d. There are 3 methods we can use it, so let's get to that. Now, the basics of a logarithm is that if b to the power of y equals x, then it can be converted into the following. logarithm of b to the power of x then is equal to y. Just rearranging, right? We learned this in Algebra 2, so if you're a high school student, this could be a good time for you guys to learn, since you have seen my videos. Okay, enough chit-chat. Moving on to step 1, or method 1, whatever you call it. You can use substitution, logarithm of 391, and then you have a 391 here, which is equal to 1, since you do the math. Moving on to method 2. We can do the same thing given here, but we'll just have to cancel out the number because it just says the same thing. So d is equal to 1. And I'll just put check marks so that you can realize it's true. Moving on to method 3. Well, 391 to the power of 0 equals 1 because we know our math, and let's just say 3 to the power of 0 will just be 1, okay? Moving on, 391 to the power of 1, it will just be 391. So I'm going to say that it is 1. So this may discombobulate you with the methods I've shown you, but we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's do this! Yeehaw! What do you know, it worked! Amazing, you have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. Win more prizes, keep practicing. And yes, I had some trials and errors because one of them did so many zeros. And one of them was just the same question. So I hope you'll understand the main quagmire. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on the next video. Au revoir!